Hi Carrie, this is Garrett from Taylor & Son Chevrolet in Sandpoint, Idaho. Today I'm showing you a 2011 Silverado 1500. It's in good shape. Brand new tires. They were just put on last week. The wheels are in good shape. No body damage of any kind. It does offer rear parking sensors and locking tailgate. No chips or cracks in the windshield. Very clean interior. No odor of any kind. Upholstery is in great shape. No tears, rips. It offers the full 90-degree split door for easy access and storage. The rear seats do flip up. Has automatic headlights, an electric four-wheel drive on-the-fly shift, dual climate control, satellite and Bluetooth radio, and OnStar capabilities. We thank you for your interest, and this concludes our walk around on our 2011 1500.